In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iCloud not syncing on your iPhone. This is a common issue that a lot of users encounter, but fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to resolve it. By the end of this video, you should be able to get your iCloud syncing back on track. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure that your internet connection is up and running. Sometimes iCloud sync issues can be traced back to a weak or unavailable internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can do this by heading over to the Wi-Fi settings or checking your mobile data status. A stable connection is crucial for iCloud to work properly, and it's always a good idea to double check before moving on to more complex solutions. If your internet connection isn't the culprit, the next step involves giving your iPhone a fresh start by restarting it. It's a simple yet effective method. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off option, and then slide it to turn off. Wait about 10 seconds and then press the power button again to turn your device back on. This process can often resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting your iCloud sync. Moving on, it's time to check whether your iCloud settings are correctly configured. Head over to Settings, tap on your name at the top of the menu, and then select iCloud. Here you'll see a list of apps and data that can be synced with iCloud. Make sure the toggle switches next to the items you want to sync, like contacts and photos, are turned on. Sometimes the toggles may be turned off accidentally, causing them not to sync as intended. If iCloud is still not syncing, try signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. This is a handy way to refresh your iCloud connectivity. Go back to the settings, tap on your name, scroll down and tap sign out. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. After signing out, wait a few moments and then sign back in with the same Apple ID. Remember, this process doesn't delete your data, it just reinstates the connection between your device and iCloud. Finally, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes updates contain vital fixes for bugs that might be causing the issue. To check for updates, go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Keeping your device updated is always recommended to ensure optimal performance and security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any iCloud syncing issues on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.